Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Pijarno Putra. Today I would like to share thought about technology can help protect nature and create a more sustainable future. I close the topic because technology is not only for entertainment or communication about powerful to environmental problems. First, let's talk about technology. Nowadays, technology is a part of future daily life. I many digital application to study communication, which my friend find useful information in my opinion. Technology can also help be more responsible. For example, we can only maps to residue file consultation, digital document to save paper, and application that reminder us to cancel waste. Next, about likes to education nature. Nature give a clean, fresh water, beautiful, protest and amazing. With this nature politician diversion climate changes the measure of environment. We so protect nature because it is our responsibility. If we continue to in the problem, future generation may not enjoy the beautiful world we have happy today. The last topic, sustainability. Sustainability means which so future generation can also enjoy. I think everyone can make a difference by doing sample the residue plastic waste, saving electric, and a reusable bag technology can support action be happening as well. More about environmental conservation and encouraging better habits. From my personal experience, I have started using digital notes in the of paper, which possible as a parents reasonable waste home the try to reduce angel plastic. The action sample be every small step creates a positive impact. Many people do the same. I cannot I can considering technology future nature and assembly technology to protect nature and improve environment. I hope more the people will also technology will care more about of planet. Together we can about cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Bye bye.